Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Google Play Store on your Android device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to do this, first, what you need to do is open up settings on your mobile device, then scroll down until you get to accounts and backup. Next, tap on manage accounts, select your Google account, then tap remove account. As you see, it says removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from this device. Do you want to continue? So to do that, you have to tap on remove account. But note that going through this process will log you out of the Google Play Store, but it will also log you out of all other Google apps on your device, such as Gmail, Google Drive, and Chrome. The Play Store does not have its own separate logout option. So if you're sure you want to go ahead and do this, tap on remove account, and then this will log you out of all Google Play and other Google apps on your device. You'll then be free to log into a different Google account to use with the Google Play Store and other Google apps. And that's all it takes to log out of Google Play Store on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.